Welcome to Quick Reads. The 7 Rules of Trust by Jimmy and Dan. In a world full of misinformation, fake news, and loud opinions, trust has become rare and valuable. In the 7 Rules of Trust, Jimmy Wells and Dan explain how trust really works, why it breaks down, and how individual, organizations, and platforms can earn it again. The book argues that trust is not built through authority or popularity, but through clear rules, transparency, and accountability. The author explains that trust is not a blind faith. Instead, it is a reasonable decision we make based on evidence, behavior, and systems that reward honesty and punish dishonesty. Using real-world examples, especially from Wikipedia, they show how trust can be designed, protected, and repaired. Rule 1. Start with trust, not persuasion. Trust begins with honesty. When people feel they are being manipulated or sold to, trust disappears. The book stresses that truth must come before influence. Wikipedia works because it does not try to convince readers. It focuses on accuracy, sources, and balance. When truth is the goal, trust follows naturally. Rule 2. Show your sources. People trust information more when they can see where it comes from. Transparency is essential. The author explains that hiding sources, methods, or intentions create suspicion. Wikipedia earns trust because they claim can be checked, challenged, and corrected. Rule 3. Enable accountability. Trust grows when there are consequences for bad behavior. System that allows lies, abuse, or misinformation to go unpunished quickly lose credibility. Wikipedia's editors are monitored, rules are enforced, and mistakes are corrected publicly. Accountability shows that trust is taken seriously. Rule 4. Encourage good behavior, discourage bad behavior. People respond to incentives. If systems reward honesty, corruption, and accuracy, trust increases. If they reward outrage, attention, or manipulation, trust collapses. The book explains that strong systems guide behavior instead of relying only on good intentions. Rule 5. Make trust earned, not assumed. Trust should not be automatic. It should be built over time through reliable actions. Wikipedia does not trust contributions just because they claim expertise. Trust grows as users show care, accuracy, and respect for rules. This prevents abuse and protects credibility. Rule 6. Be clear and simple. Complex rules and confusion messages reduce trust. People trust what they understand. The author argues that clarity, clear goals, clear rules, and clear explanations. This helps people feel safe and confident. Wikipedia's simple mission makes it easier to trust. Rule 7. Expect imperfection and fix mistakes. No system is perfect. Trust is not about avoiding mistakes, but about correcting them quickly and openly. When errors are admitted and fixed, trust becomes stronger. Hiding mistakes destroys confidence, while honesty restores it. Final message. The book concludes that trust is not emotional or magical. It is designed. Strong trust comes from systems that value truth, transparency, accountability, and fairness. Whether in media, business, technology, or leadership, trust can be rebuilt if people follow these rules constantly. Thank you.